DJ. How can I grow big if I'm the topic everywhere? You know? Wamale wogu takumanya tamanyi byabaddewo mawulire musoma ga Facebook kati bano bana mawulire mwagala kukwata byenjogera eno mwagamba sijja kulaba family yange na posting ekifaananyi bagamba ani amugambye ambale shorts nze ndyanza muboyi nokuba shorts ejoki waliwo ne Falomu yabuuza n'agamba akubye ekifaananyi Aba aliwa. Aba yali photo credit. Don't ask me.
Let me ask you a question, Linda. You know people want to make us be the people that sing in Bissau, you know? If I did a short Serena, would you guys turn up? If I want to show you these two colors even more. You know people think I'm just there's a lot. I want to thank everybody for turning up on Thursday. I was in South Africa, I had a lot of issues, but I had to make sure that I'm at Torino tonight. But that's not important. You know, there's that society that makes a lot of noise, and there's this society of ours that makes a lot of works. Yeah. You know when they say chameleon is a legend, people think I'm naming myself that. No. My name is Joseph Mayanja, simple like that. The legend is a story that you people have written with me in the 25 years. Thank you so much for the work with me. Yes. You know people say that I was wild and young. But listen to me, imagine being a celebrity at 19 without no guidance. You know the girls say, girls tell them, but who was to tell me? I mean, baby, nobody told me how to live my life. I was talking to Palazzo the other day. He told me, I respect you for being you. My brothers, it takes a lot of action. Should I make it straight? It takes a lot of balls, big balls to be us. We have a lot of opportunities, but we are not proud. Woman, don't think I'm proud. I'm just careful. Sagala byabuzi bako kayumba. Hey baby, oliwa ni akile munamadia. However, I want to take a big round of applause for everybody for taking your time for me, Joseph. Thank you. I made a very big mistake to go in politics. That's not my game. I'm a musician. I am a musician. So what I did, I started with the musical. No, Lord man, I'm over. Banga to Mulodi wa Mwali, so let him be there. Name Mugabe chameleon Wali. That was a cup of coffee, cappuccino. Now send them come musically.
East Africa's finest.
Yeah. Oh. People run, they jog. I don't jog, I just wake up and sing madly. I swear to God, there is no people say Alhamdulillah. For me, I'm like those guys who are given beautiful figures. You have it. Those who don't have it, go to China, you pick up yourself. There you go. So, whosoever thinks they can do the musically, I will welcome them. I need a challenge. I'm talking too much, but this is Jose Chameleon, my friend. So, round of applause for Jose Chameleon!